Dear finance professionals and students, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant. Daily news and updates for 7th March 2024. Telecom giants Reliance Jio, Bharti Airtel and Vodafone Idea have close ranks and are pushing customers to upgrade to tier-based post-paid tariff plans where mobile users with higher levels of data usage pay more, boosting average revenue per user growth for the operators. All three telcos have realized that higher-priced post-paid family plans bundling multiple mobile connections, attractive data allowances, and OTT streaming app subscriptions is the ideal way to improve ARPU, a key performance metric, in the immediate absence of headline tariff hikes. Mahindra & Mahindra's promoter group entity Prudential Management and Services Private Limited, or PMSL, has initiated a secondary sale of shares in the company as the family is looking for liquidity for specific needs. PMSL, a promoter group entity of Mahindra & Mahindra, is selling a small number of shares in the company for liquidity. The share sale, overseen by Kotak Securities, will reduce PMSL's holding. Mahindra's promoters collectively held a 19.32% stake in the company. Recent penalties on financial intermediaries by the RBI under the Governor Shaktikanta Das reflect the regulator's intolerance towards non-compliance. The actions highlight serious violations, including non-compliance with regulations and deviations from good governance. The RBI is focused on improving compliance and transparency in the financial sector. Recent penalties on financial intermediaries by the RBI under the Governor Shaktikanta Das reflect the regulator's intolerance towards non-compliance. The actions highlight serious violations, including non-compliance with regulations and deviations from good governance. The RBI is focused on improving compliance and transparency in the financial sector. Indian company ITC has shifted its focus to premiumizing its personal care businesses, doubling its contribution to sales to 38% in the last 4 years. This has helped ITC break even in the personal care business, which now generates profits consistently quarter on quarter. The company operates in categories like body wash, deodorant, skin care, and floor cleanser, which is the second critical piece of its strategy to grow the non-cigarette fast-moving consumer goods segment. The Central Board of Direct Taxes has recently made significant amendments to various tax-related forms, including the Tax Audit Form 3CD and Form number 3CEB, and the Form for Filing of Tonnage Tax Application Form 65. These changes aim to streamline tax filing procedures and ensure compliance with the latest tax regulations. Form 3CD, which is used for tax audit purposes, has been updated to reflect several key modifications. Notably, clauses related to the Section 115BAE tax regime have been incorporated into the form. This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.